Welcome to Ample Blazer's video tutorial on how to upgrade your Windows 10 to build version 1803. There is two ways in which you can upgrade to build version 1803. One, you can download the Download Assistant via the Microsoft site. The link will be provided. Or you can update via the Windows Update section in the Windows 10 notification area. I will show you how to upgrade via the Download Assistant. Click the Update Now button on the Microsoft site. Once the file is downloaded, click on it and run the file. Please wait for the file to open after double clicking on it, and then you will see a box that comes up, and then click on Update Now. After clicking, then it will check your compatibility with your computer. You will see green ticks once it passes. Then you click Next. Then the update will start to download and it'll go from 0 all the way to 100%. The computer will take some time, so make sure you give yourself efficient time to complete the upgrade. As you can see, we're up to 50%. We are nearing the end of the upgrade being prepared. As you can see, we are up to 95%, and then the next screen you will see that it will tell you that the update is ready and the computer needs to be restarted for the completion of the upgrade. You can either wait the 30 minutes that it will take to do the restart, or you can press the Restart Now button. And then once the computer restarts, you will see the normal restart progress percentage screen, and you have to wait for that to complete. After the computer restarts, you can check if the upgrade went through. By looking at the Windows version, it should say Build 1803. The other thing you can see is the people icon. This is 100% guarantee that the upgrade has gone through. Thank you for watching.